What's up, guys? It's Omar here, and today we're back at Roblox and we're playing now at Flood Escape. So today we're just now playing Flood Escape, nothing much at it, and today I joined those guys. First let's start playing with easy mode. After that we're gonna go medium, after that we're going hard. Okay. So I'm gonna try to complete this first level. This sometimes lags. Oh man, I almost died there for a second. This really lags, guys, okay? My phone sometimes lags, sometimes doesn't. I know, guys, some of you guys says, "Oh my, you're the last one." Just because of my laggy iPhone. Not phone, I mean my Samsung. If I have an iPhone, I don't know how to make videos. But thankfully, I got the right device. Oh man, oh no, 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 no. Oh man, oh, I died. Just because of that easy mode. But I have to impress some people how I'm playing. I'm gonna tell them that I'm recording a video on YouTube. What? Someone just sent me a friend request. Okay, yes, that's weird. Let's now go to medium mode. So now we failed that easy mode. So now let's try to complete by medium mode. Jump. Jump. Okay, jump it. Okay. You know what? Instead of joining Flood Escape, I should have a bit training. Let's go to training. Reaction, code cracker, or agility. What do I pick, guys? So for my voice like this, but I'm fine right now. I'm out of no sick. Let's do agility. There's the first parkour. By the way, I'm the best at parkour, but this device is really laggy, guys. I swear to God, it's really laggy. Look, I should press jump, 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 jump. Okay, I've been focusing on this a bit. Jump, jump. I get 3 training points. So let's change. What do I pick? Code cracker or reaction? Let's go with code cracker. After that, I'm gonna go do reaction. Guys, if you want me to do a Roblox live stream, just let's try to make our video become, let's say 20 likes. 20 likes and I'll make a live stream. But I have to do it every week. Like today, I can make a Roblox video. Tomorrow, I can make a Super Pass video. But recently, recently some of my fans, they only watch some of my Roblox videos. They don't watch my Super Pets videos. That's a bit weird. Okay, green. Okay. I'm gonna get a reaction. Get ready. Yellow! Oh man, I almost crashed there for a second. Okay, platform will be chosen. What is it? Blue. Okay, I got him blue now. Platform will be chosen. Get ready. Green. Got it. I'm really good at getting reaction. Get ready. Blue. Okay. My sit. If you saw the middle vision, that is my father. Blue. Okay. Platform will be chosen. Get ready. Red, red. Oh, I failed. Okay, so now I did all the training. Now I did easy and medium. So now we're gonna do hard. We did easy, I sucked at it. But in reality, I'm very good. By the way, guys, if we reach 10 likes on this video, I'm going to play some of the games in Roblox on my old account. My old account has no Robux, but I have too many wins. So guys, so let's go to hard. Okay, intermission now. By the way, guys, if you did not know already, I only accept guys have Robux. I mean, I only accept some guys' friend request who has Robux. A guy who sent me a friend request and who has Robux, I'm gonna accept it. But if he's a noob, I don't. I am training with my jumping skills. Let's jump at the top. Jump. Did it. First stage did it. Come on, Asasa. Asa's greed. Come on. Okay. I thought you're gonna die for a second. This is stage 2. Can't turn back. Okay, let's get that thing. Oh, is this thing run? Okay, is that the top? After this, say up here. Come on, get it for us. Quick! Then we go at the top. Jump. Jump. On. Oh, I died. Okay. Okay guys, so that's it for my video. I know I make some of my videos 10 and 11 minutes, but I have to end the video now just because it's now like 11 a.m. at the night. Not a.m., I mean p.m. Why am I such a noob? Okay guys, I have to end the video. By the way, I'm gonna edit it tomorrow, so now I'm really don't want to go to bed. It's like I'm just gonna edit it now. Whatever, guys, just enjoy this video. Like it, comment, and share. Make other guys join it. But before I go, Wait a second, there's something I have to pick. Okay, let's go to here. I have to pick YouTube. I know I watch Arabic stuff. Nope. Nope. Okay, but I'm gonna go to here. What he is? But before, guys, there's this guy who was one of my favorite YouTubers, RobertIDK. Here he is, guys. I'll show you something funny, okay? Look at it. Wait, guys, I'm gonna go that. Wait, I'm gonna show you his. Look.
Rent out sea turtles to people, and then I'll have like a little sea turtle zoo, and then I'll make that money back, you know, a haircut.
Okay, you know what?
Just like your
You deserve a like.
What are you wearing? What are those? Anyways, enough roasting.
And he gave me a heart to my comment. RobertIDK, if you're watching this, please put in my comment. I really love you.
This looks like a kid who's done nothing but stare at screens his whole life, so he has no depth perception and never had to like look at anything in front of him before.
Do you know, guys, that something is bad because he has skin problems. He hasn't gotten taking care of his skin. Okay, let's see it. He has no skin.
I don't know if I'm ready for this. Oh my god, that's horrible. Than anyone reading.
You deserve it, bro. Okay, guys, so that's it. Nothing new. Nothing new whatsoever. Just making new Roblox. Next week I'll make another Roblox videos, but tomorrow I'm gonna make a Super Pass video. So see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.